Frank Valley here. Welcome to part 3 of the Lightroom post-processing for this Cannon Beach haystack rock image. Almost finished, but let me just kind of do a little recap from where we came from to where we are now. And let me show you. This is our before image, that very flat, little bit on an angle, and this is where we end up, and this is where I was going to leave and send this off to my stock companies. Now from here we can start playing around a little bit and getting a little artsy. And you know, I live on the West Coast, and we have what I call 50 shades of gray out here. If you've been out here, you know it's raining, it's cloudy. We like to have a little bit of color, you know, throughout that rainy season that we have. And we've got some presets that I add to my images to just kind of spruce them up and gives them a different look and different color. And this is where, you know, you get artsy if you're wanting to send off things for competitions. You want to have just a bit of a different look. If you can just kind of, you know, and you can see the images are stunning, you know, from these presets that I've developed and changed. And, you know, you can do the same things here, add to them, change the colors around a little bit, but just to spruce it up and make it a little different. This one just went a little wonky again, so let's just level this out. And but yeah, I love this shot. Just a little bit of color, you know, as the sun is going down in the evening. You know, it makes it look very natural. You know, it's got the reflections along the front still with the people, you know, have been lit up. And I would say this is my final finished image. And from here, you know, I would print it and probably hang it on my wall for a while, and which I have many images that have been printed over the time. So, but let me know what you think, and as always, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll go from there.